Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make chiles rellenos. It's not a hard recipe, but it is very time consuming. Therefore, I only make it maybe twice a year, if that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. The first thing you're going to need are some poblano peppers. I used about 6. Like I said, I don't make these very often, therefore when I do make them, I do make a lot and we have leftovers for the next day. The first thing that you want to do is heat up some oil and basically cook your peppers all the way around until you start seeing that the skin is peeling. A little warning, your stove does get pretty dirty, so just a little FYI there. The next thing I'm going to do is place the cooked chiles into a plastic bag and just leave them in there for a few minutes. That way the skin can easily be peeled off. Now very carefully, you're going to want to peel all of the skin off. Just be very careful because the chiles are very hot and you don't want to burn yourself. Once you're done peeling all of the skin, you're going to want to take a knife and cut a slit through it, and you're going to want to take out all the seeds and veins from the inside. Next, you're going to want to crack about 4 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. Now I'm going to beat the egg whites really well, just until you start seeing them turn white and fluffy and foamy. And you'll know when your egg whites are ready when you basically lift up your mixer and they start forming like peaks, as you see here. That's when you know you are ready to add your egg yolk. I probably add about 2 to 3 egg yolks. You don't want to add too many. You just kind of want it to give it that nice yellow color. Now it's time to fill your poblano peppers. I like filling it with only cheese, and I use this Mexican authentic queso fresco. I crumble it up and I fill all of my chiles with the cheese. Some people like adding or filling them with ground beef or like potatoes or just different things, but I like to keep it simple and I just fill my poblano peppers with cheese. You're also going to want to secure them with a few toothpicks. Next, you're going to want to lightly coat them in all-purpose flour. The flour helps the egg whites or the egg mixture stick to the actual pepper. As you can see here, you want to, coat it with the egg whites and just place it into your pan with some oil. You don't want to cook it too much because then your egg will start burning. You just want to cook all sides, and this is what they look like in the end. They are so good, trust me you guys. I like to pair my chiles rellenos with some Mexican rice. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments below what other recipes you would like to see on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.